Hi, we're Ella and Bonnie and we're travelling around Europe in our DIY camper van. This week we finally make it into Italy. Good morning. Well, I say morning, it's definitely afternoon. I slept awful last night. So we've had a relaxed day. It's also quite hot, so keeping Bonnie out of the sun. Yeah, we're still working our way around some of the lakes in Italy / Switzerland. And we are now at Lake Lugano. The plan today, once it has cooled down a little bit, we're going to go into the town, and there's a funicular up to one of the mountains and lots of lake views, so we're going to do a bit of a later one today. Yeah, should be nice. Super hot out, which is good, so we might head out soon. I was going to get my chair out, but obviously the sun goes in the second that I think of that, so I might just do a couple of errands like filling up the water. Maybe there is a star with your name. I did used to have a couple of bigger like jerry cans, and then I realised I'm too weak to lift them. Maybe when I'm home I'll get a few more of the decent, like middle-sized bottles, and then maybe get like a little trailer to put them in or something. Let's do these 3 to start with. Got loads of little bottles to fill up.
What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could...
While we wait for it to cool down, we're going to have some lunch. Bonnie, no! That is nice. Nice and fresh. I think it'd probably be good, like, you know, a proper sandwich and maybe toasted. But I'm way too lazy to get out my cooker. So we're just going to sit and enjoy this. We're watching a bit of The Office.
The fall is coming, I can feel it. The breeze brings goosebumps to my skin. Tonight the whiskey feels stronger. Gasoline on hidden sides. So
going the wrong way. Yeah, easy to get lost. I think we're going the right way now. Always trying to keep in as much shade as possible.
let it burn. Let it burn.
Turns out Lugano is actually a city, not a town. Not that it makes much difference to us. But it's really nice. We're just walking along the lakefront now, so we're on Lake Lugano. One of the Italian lakes that I'd never heard of. You always hear about Lake Maggiore and Como. Yeah, this one's really nice.
Another vice, grab my old lighter. This cigar helps me slow down.
You just missed it.
Think back to all I've loved and lost. My heart is full.
We've got our ticket. It was 40 francs. I was not expecting that much, but we were already at the ticket station, so we've just gone with it. Bonnie was 10. I never get when they charge dogs. It's not like she knows where we are.
Let it burn. Let it burn.
10 minutes to go.
Let it burn.
Salvatore.
Till all that's left is ash.
Okay, so this funicular's been running since 1890. It takes you a mile up to the top of Mount Salvatore, I think. So we're going to be just under 1,000 meters above the sea level.
Another week, another day, another hour since you went away, and so cliche you didn't say goodbye. I've been waiting for so long, still debating what went wrong. All by myself, you pulled away, you couldn't say what we were struggling with. It's one of us, it's obvious, but who's to really blame? There's an aching in
In case 2 viewpoints weren't enough, there's a third. Which I guess is the reason we came up here, to be fair. There's also a bit of like an outdoors museum to the Gotthard Pass, which feels a bit out of place, but I'm guessing there's some reason for it. Let's go find panoramic viewpoint number 3. What do you think, Bunny? Bunny? Bonnie's going to get ready to preach. Thou shalt give bones every day. in the centre of the lake so you can see everything. Okay, we're heading back down, been up here about an hour and a half-ish. We're coming up to. We've got 10 minutes until the next tram leaves, so we want to be on that one. It's been really nice. We haven't done like an activity in a few weeks. Yeah, was it worth nearly £40? No. £20 would have been about right. One of those things. We're back down at normal level. Getting Bonnie, getting the cool down a little bit. I was debating grabbing my swimming costume. There is a beach a bit further up. But I've just got my feet in and it's quite cold. I'm a bit of a baby with cold water, so I don't know if I'm brave enough or not. That happy tail now.
I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house. I'm just wasted on the couch, 'cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stay here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish
I'm the sort of person to get myself her own ice cream. One for Bonnie, and one for me. Hang on! Well, I'm going to give it to him. Bonnie, wait! Ready?
I know the hour's getting late. I shouldn't sit here and contemplate. I just can't stop thinking about it. I won't forget.
Right, Bonnie's just finishing up her ice cream. And I think we'll sit here for a little bit and then it's past dinner time, so we'll head back to the van.
Stay here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stay here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon.
We've got a halo. Little angel.
How it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stay here right with me. I can't shake that feeling.
And kept the jeans dry. I've actually decided to have a full shower. It's been, what, maybe 10 days? Obviously I wash every day, but a full shower just feels different, doesn't it? So it's the first time I've assembled it, so we'll give it a go. Give it a go and try and shower. Okay, the shower was mostly a success. I feel clean and fresh. The water was way too cold. I did add 1 kettle of hot water, but my kettle's tiny, so it didn't make much difference. I think it got it from 19 degrees to 21 degrees. It's good to use it though, but it works. So this evening, I'm going to feed Bonnie in a moment, and then we're leaving here. So we'll be heading on to our next stop. Okay, we are on the move, well, about to be. So we're going just a little bit further up Lake Lugano, to like the north parts, then we can work our way back down Lake Como. And yeah, so we've got 30 minutes. Just got to the park up. It's a nice little spot. There's a river running just in front, and then the other side of the river there's loads of horses, and we're literally surrounded by mountains. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And we're officially now in Italy, like for the next few weeks. No more hopping back to Switzerland. As tempting as it is, but I'm really excited to be in Italy properly. It's my favourite country I've ever been to, and it's one I've looked at a little bit of like land and property for the future. Not for now, just starting to get like the gist of what's out there, rough pricing, that sort of thing. So yeah, excited to be here, but that's like probably 5 to 10 year goal. No time soon. I need to actually save some money. Yeah, me and Bonnie are going to go for a little wander before bed, and then probably just head to bed. So that's going to be the end of the video. If you've enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, and see you next week in Lake Como.